How much laundry detergent do you actually need in order to get your clothes clean in an average everyday load of laundry? Hi, my name is Renee. I'm an appliance repair tech, and it's been a while since I've done a really good breakdown to answer that question, so here we go. I run a lot of service calls for washing machines, and the majority of issues I run into are caused by, you guessed it, people using too much laundry detergent. Using too much detergent can actually prevent your washing machine from washing, rinsing, draining, or spinning properly. It can also shorten the life of your washing machine and of your laundry. Plus, laundry detergent is expensive, so why would you want to use more than what you need? But before we get into all of that, first of all the information I'm about to give you pertains to everyday soil levels of dirty laundry washed in high-efficiency washing machines using high-efficiency laundry detergent. If you have an HE machine, you need to be using HE detergent with it, otherwise it's not going to work correctly. If your laundry is heavily soiled or you're using a non-HE machine, this information still pertains to you. You just want to use a little keyword little bit more. And yes, this information applies to powder detergent as well, as long as it has the HE logo on the packaging. So how much detergent do you actually need? 2 tablespoons, which is about the equivalent of 1 detergent pod. This is a 1-ounce shot glass, which is equal to 2 tablespoons, and this is what that looks like inside of a liquid detergent measuring cup. And if you're thinking there's no way that's enough to get my clothes clean, you're probably thinking of non-high efficiency detergent, which does require you to use more because it's not concentrated like HE is. But if you're using more than this, your washing machine doesn't know that, which means it's going to go through the motions as though you only use this much, which means it won't use enough water to properly flush all the detergent out. And most people who use too much detergent use so much that no amount of extra rinses is going to save you. And that's how you get a detergent buildup on the parts of your washing machine that you can't see. That is, until the buildup gets so bad that it starts depositing on your clothes, which can look like any of these photos, or it looks like greasy, oily stains sometimes. Not only can a detergent buildup damage your clothes, it can start to damage the parts of your washing machine as well, so it's really important that you don't overdo it. If your washing machine already has a detergent buildup, run several cycles with a washing machine cleaner through it, like one of these, first, and then try cutting back to 2 tablespoons and see if it helps. Use less laundry sauce. It'll get your clothes cleaner.